Right, welcome back. This time we're inside a project. Let me walk you through the interface. Top left corner, click the spacio icon and you get a menu. From here you can jump back to the dashboard, open project settings, or reset the context data, the terrain, buildings and streets you already imported. Same menu. You can also import your own files, images, CAD drawings, PDFs, and a few others. A dedicated video on imports is coming, so I won't linger. Below, a Get Started guide that walks you through the basics. Useful if you're on your own, though since you're with me, we can skip. And a link to our Discord, where most of the good conversation is happening, so do come in and say hello. Here's where you name your sketch. Mine's sketch number 1. Not the most imaginative name, but you do you. You can also spin up a new sketch, duplicate an existing one, or delete ones you don't need. Right next to that, pinned metrics. Any statistic you want to keep track of while you work can sit at the top of the screen. We'll cover which metrics to pin later in the series. Top right corner now. That tick mark tells you when the project was last saved. And if you want to step back to an earlier version of the sketch, you can reload a previous save from there. Next to it, the usual undo and redo. Then the imports and exports. Both get their own video down the line. And the collaboration button. That's a business plan feature that lets you share a project with a team member and work on it together. Right side toolbar now. At the top, a 2D/3D toggle for how you see the model, a zoom button, and a camera button that saves views so you can return to them. Below that, the sun position. Drag it around to study shadows and solar access at any time of day. The rest of that toolbar is where you control what you see. Toggle snapping on and off. Switch which layers are visible, useful when your project gets dense. Dial the level of detail up or down. Change how buildings are displayed. And for the terrain, you've got a whole menu. Slope analysis, elevation, cut and fill, aspect, or pull back to a satellite image, or a classic map. Just below that, 3 quick view shortcuts: exterior, interior, underground. One click, you're where you need to be on the model. Over to the left panel, this is the data side. Statistics at the top. You can pick your preferred language and see everything the architect needs. Building, site, and space stats. Every number that matters in one place. Below that, the project tree. A smart view of the entire project. The sketch comparison is below, letting you look at all your designs side by side. We'll come back to that in a later video. And below, the space settings, where you switch on the unit mix for apartment layouts. Down to the bottom of that column, simulations. Spacio's environmental performance tools live here. Daylight, solar, wind, and a few others on the way. Then the property settings. A dedicated video covers that, so we'll keep moving. At the very bottom, the master scene toggle, also getting its own video. And the design toolbar. That toolbar is how you design in Spacio, so you'll be in there a lot. Next up, the master scene workflow. Start designing for free at spacio.ai. See you there.